Welcome back to Preyo Promo, your ultimate guide for optimizing your digital workflow with fast and effective tech solutions. Do you have a Microsoft Word document that you need to lock in as a clean, shareable PDF instantly? Today, I'm showing you the pro-level secret to converting your files without needing any sloppy third-party converters. Step 1. Access Export Settings. With your document finalized, navigate to the top left corner and click the File menu. This brings up your Backstage options, which is the command center for all your critical document handling settings. Step 2. Start the conversion. Select Export, and then immediately click the Create PDF XPS document button in the center pane. This path is the fastest and most stable way to ensure your document layout remains exactly as you intended it. Step 3. Define output. On the next screen, click the Finalized Create PDF button to open the standardized save window. This is where you tell Word you are ready to finalize your document as a locked professional PDF file. If you want to save money and stay ahead with the best viral tech hacks, subscribe to Preyo Promo right now. Join our community of elite creators and master the hidden free tools that grow your business today. Step 4. Finalize and publish. Name your new file precisely. Choose your target folder, and then simply hit the Publish button. Your system will instantly create a crisp, high-quality PDF that is perfect for professional sharing or printing. Step 5. Master Alternative Path. For another pro method, go back to File and select the classic Save As option from the menu. Navigate to your folder, open the File Type drop-down menu, and select PDF from the list before saving. Now you can convert professional documents without the high manual cost and work efficiently like a seasoned digital pro. Thanks for watching Preyo Promo. Smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next one.